What up there, YouTube? This is your boy Matt Ying 1997 here. I got this for Christmas. It's called a storm glass. Check that out. Looks pretty cool. So I'm not using a tripod. I'm just using my iPhone to kind of do this. We're gonna do a little unboxing. I've already taken the plastic wrap off of it, so I already kind of got this started. But we're gonna take it out of the box and take a good look at this nice little storm glass. We're probably gonna have to just break this up. Okay. Will it stand on this? Oh, look at that. All right. Shoot, I should clean this stupid table before I started this video. Okay, so here we go. Here's the contents of the little box. Out. What? What did that say? Camera won't focus on it. Out storm glass is a beautiful hand-blown piece of art. Did you hear my stomach growl right there? I am starving. Man, this camera won't focus on anything, will it? There we go. Out storm glass is a beautiful hand-blown piece of art. I'm pretty sure out is supposed to say our. It makes a great decorative conversation piece for any location. Well, whoever wrote that does not know how to spell check or check for their spacing. Storm glass history. Check it out, yo. Storm glass was used in the 18th and 19th century to predict the weather. Look at that, that's cool. It was an instrument which was proposed as a method for predicting weather. It consisted of a special liquid placed inside a sealed, transparent glass. The state of crystallization within the liquid was believed to be related to the weather. The inventor is unknown, but the device became popular in the 1860s after being promoted by Admiral Robert Fitzroy. Robert Fitzroy was an English officer of the Royal Navy and a scientist. He achieved lasting fame as the captain of the HMS Beagle during Charles Darwin's famous voyage. Among the studies Fitzroy undertook on the voyage was the application of various barometers and storm glass in widespread use during the 1860s to weather forecasting at sea. Fitzroy was a pioneering meteorologist who made accurate daily weather predictions, which was called by a new name of his own invention, forecasts. In 1859, violent storms struck the British Isles. In response, the British Crown distributed storm glass, then known as Fitzroy storm barometers, to many small fishing communities around the British Isles that would be consulted by ships at port before setting sail. Fitzroy carefully documented... Okay, we're done. Let's just get on with it. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So basically, this is a storm glass. It's been used for a few centuries now. Check it out. There it is. It's a small little thing right here. Yeah, check it out. You can see it has some crystals in there. I'm not sure what this liquid is. They never specify what this liquid actually is. So, I don't know. It's really cool looking. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but we're going to put it on the table for now. I'm going to put it right next to this candle. For now. We got we got a real candle. Anyways, what else is in here? It looks like more styrofoam piece of wood. I think that's everything that's in there. So let's go back to the brochure. Maybe. Fitzgerald. Oh my word. I've probably said that more than once already. Fitzroy carefully documented how the storm glass would predict the weather. If the liquid in the glass is clear, the weather would be bright and clear. If the liquid is cloudy, the weather will be cloudy as well, perhaps with precipitation. If there are small dots in the liquid, humid or foggy weather can be expected. A cloudy glass with small stars indicates thunderstorms. If the liquid contains small stars on sunny winter days, then snow is coming. If there are large flakes throughout the liquid, it will be overcast in temperate season or snowy in the winter. If there are ice crystals at the bottom, this indicates frost. If there are threads near the top, it will be windy. So, very interesting. So again, here's another look at it. There's not a whole lot to it. We kind of have to let it sit for a while so we can get an idea of what the heck the weather's going to be like, and then we're going to figure out a final spot for it. It could be right here, it could be somewhere else. Maybe I'll put it next to this mess right here. My excuse me, I'm hungry. Next to the, whatchamacallit, that, I can talk. That's basically a liquid barometer. Now I might put it next to that, but it's kind of a neat little display piece, so we might put it on the table. Here's one last look at it before I end this video. Okay, you've been cut off. Bye.